The government is to construct a new dormitory for the Wesley Grammar School here in the capital. This is to help ease the already congested pressure on the congested facilities of the school. The Minister for Education, Dr. Opoku Prempeh, disclosed this at a fundraising dinner dance to construct boarding facilities and an assembly hall for the school.
Wesley Grammar Senior High School was established 62 years ago with a vision to be a fulcrum for the provision of quality and holistic education for young people in the Methodist tradition to contribute to the national development of the country. Wesley Grammar aims at providing relevant education with moral values as well as academic excellence in all areas to be of benefit to the nation. The school, which started from a humble beginning, is now rubbing shoulders with some of the best schools across the country. Wesley Grammar School, which currently has over 1,000 students, is faced with many challenges. These include lack of dormitories for students, an assembly hall and other facilities. The challenges have now been compounded with a high enrollment in the free senior high school policy. And according to the school authorities, the increase in enrollment is putting a lot of pressure on the limited school facilities. These are the challenges the proceeds from the school's dinner dance will seek to address. The Minister for Education, Dr. Opoku Prempeh, said government is committed to education reforms and steps are underway to achieve this. He called on alumni bodies to play their roles to support government's efforts.
It is a matter of record that alumni bodies have been very instrumental in the development of their schools, sacrificing financially to ensure that facilities in their schools are up to standard. Many physical projects in our schools owe their existence to old students. Government is deeply appreciative of your role. Your project of constructing 2 dormitory blocks for your alma mater will no doubt go a long way in easing your school's congestion challenges and ultimately improve learning outcomes. On its part, the government is committed to education reform in this country to ensure quality outcomes, because we believe strongly that education is the key to this country's development.
The First Lady, Rebecca Ekufuado, who is an alumni of the school, called on all to step up to help the school and contribute by providing a better environment for children to develop.
All over the world, old students are a significant source of support for their alma mater. We can do no less. I entreat all of us to step up and contribute to building new boarding facilities and an assembly hall for Wesley Grammar. It is our duty to give back. I believe that there are other well-meaning Ghanaians who are able to support this cause. Please, we need your contribution too. Give generously. We are contributing to our own future and the future of this country by providing the right environment for our children to develop. You never know. The doctor who will save your life may come from Wesley Grammar.
The first CD of the school anthem was sold for 10,000 Ghana cedis. There were pledges from the various year groups of the school.